Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on streaming with Disney Plus, full guide step by step clearly. Discover the world of savings on Disney Plus with these simple tips. Start by evaluating your subscription options. Consider monthly versus yearly plans. Annual subscriptions often offer significant savings. Look for bundle deals that include Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN. These bundles can provide great value for your entertainment needs. Keep an eye on promotions. Disney Plus occasionally runs limited time offers. Check if you qualify for any discounts through your employer or student status. Share your account with up to 6 family members or friends. This allows you to divide the cost and maximize your savings. Take advantage of the Disney Plus trial to explore its offerings without commitment. Use Disney Plus during special events for exclusive content. These events often feature unique shows and movies available temporarily. Monitor special seasons like holidays for themed collections. This adds bonus value during those times. Keep track of content availability. Shows and movies rotate on Disney Plus, so you don't want to miss them. Use notification settings to stay updated on new releases. Participate in audience engagement. Join fan communities that share discounts, tips, and promotions. Utilize online streaming platforms that offer cashback or rewards. Some sites provide incentives for signing up for streaming services. Explore options for discount gift cards. Purchasing Disney Plus gift cards at a reduced price can save you money. Plan your viewing schedule effectively. This ensures you're making the most of the content available. Try exploring lesser-known titles on the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.